Okay, here is your 2025 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 20 MKX. It is 24 feet 11 inches and has a dry weight of 5,330 pounds. You got your power tongue jack here, two 20-pound propane tanks. We're going to give you a new battery in a box. There's room for two, though, if you like. Pass-through storage here. Your fresh tank water fill here. Solid step entry. Nice glass door. It's got the underbelly package, armor underbelly package. Satellite out for your TV and power outlets there. JBL speaker there. Your water heater in the back here. Lippard on-the-go ladder attachment. You'd have to purchase the ladder. Spare tires on the back, and then your furnace is on the back as well. So I can do this without falling. It's been about 18 days since we had the snow, and it's still crazy back here. 30 amp service is on the back here. Your sewer connections are right here. Again, the dry weight is 5,330 pounds with a gross vehicle weight rating of 6,995 pounds. You got your command center here. So you got your water comes up through here, plugs in there, and then you can switch between city water and fresh tank fill. You got your solar disconnect and your battery disconnect, power outlets there, satellite cable in, and this has also got motion sensing lighting. Again, from the exterior here, I'm gonna pause the video here, set up the lights, set up a battery, and go in the inside for you. Okay, heading on the inside now. So it's got a full-size queen, 60 by 80. Your bed is in the front here. Overhead storage, his and hers closet with more storage underneath, and then 12 volt and 110 outlets in the back here for charging. A little cubby hole space there. It does have the 3 recliners. Your recliners, the middle section does fold down with 2 cup holders and USB and USB-C charging connections. They are power recliners. You got coat hooks here. Again, JBL speakers. You got your air conditioning here. One of the largest countertop spaces you're going to see in a small trailer like this. Lots of storage underneath. Even got dog bowl storage. Drawer. More storage here, and your 12 volt. Your breakers there. Your heat comes out of the cabinetry. You'll notice there's no vents in the floor whatsoever. Stainless steel sink. It is backed for a TV. There's your, and then you got your overhead storage here. Microwave. 3-burner stovetop. More storage. Pots and pans type storage. And then more storage in the back there. 12 volt refrigerator. So your freezer's down here. 12 volt refrigerator. Nice deep storage on the shelves. And then you got your bathroom. Towel storage there. Medicine cabinet. Nice shower surround. It is not a tub. It is a stand-in shower. And then you got a skylight as well. Hopefully this video isn't too crazy jumping around on you. But nice big open floor plan couples coach here. Oh, you would put your shoes underneath there, and then the bed does actually open up, and you have some additional storage in here. Plus then you have the front half of the bed is the outside storage that passes all the way through. So that is your 2025 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 20 MKX.